So, good morning, all my dear students. Now, as we know, the types of reactions is left. Okay, so all the types of chemical reaction is written over here. Like types of chemical reaction: first one, combination reaction; second one, decomposition reaction; third one, displacement reaction; and the fourth one is double displacement reaction. We know all these things from the class 8. Okay, and we know what is the general formula of the chemical combination reaction: A plus B, then it forms AB, then it forms AB. Decomposition: AB, then product is A plus B. That combination and decomposition just opposite to each other. And displacement reaction, that means single displacement reaction, that is AB plus C. Then we get AC plus B. Okay, and we know double displacement reaction, that is general equation AB plus CD. Then we get AD plus BC. Okay, already we know this. Now we will discuss about some examples of combination reaction. Okay, so we are rubbing this one. So combination reaction, already we know two reactants are there and product will be the joining of these two reactants. Suppose like H2 plus Cl2, then we get HCl, hydrochloric acid. This is the example of combination reaction. Okay, as like the burning of any substance, that is it forms carbon dioxide. It is called also a combination reaction. C plus O2, then it forms CO2 gas. Okay, next, suppose carbon monoxide is burning. When carbon monoxide is formed, when carbon is burning in sufficient amount of oxygen, then carbon monoxide is formed. Now this carbon monoxide is burned in presence of the oxygen, then one single product will form, that is carbon dioxide. Example 2CO plus O2, then it forms heat, it forms CO2, 2CO2. Okay, next, if sulfur dioxide is also reacting with the oxygen, then it forms SO3, sulfur trioxide, 2SO2 plus O2, then it forms 2SO3. Okay, one more another example is very known to us, that is formation of ammonium chloride. Formation of ammonium chloride, NH3 plus HCl, it forms NH4Cl. Okay, the interesting fact is that NH3 is a gas, HCl is a gas, but NH4Cl, this one is a solid. We can see in the lab, this one is the solid. A white color fume will be formed. Okay, that we can see as per the reaction. We can this is also example of the two type example of that question, that is two gases are reacting and a product is a solid. This type of that the physical state is different when they are reacting and the product physical state is different. Okay, then we will remember this reaction. Okay, next, Photosynthesis, that is also a combination reaction, as we know that carbon dioxide, water in presence of the sunlight, and chlorophyll, it make C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus energy. Six. Okay, these are the combination reaction. Acha, one more combination, this one is the very well known, photosynthesis. Another one is very common common reaction that we will discuss, that is Mg. Magnesium is reacting with the oxygen, it forms MgO, magnesium oxide. Okay, then a dazzling white light is formed. Okay, done this one. Next, come to the decomposition reaction. Next, come to that point, that is decomposition reaction. The part 2, decomposition reaction. Okay, decomposition reaction, general formula we know, AB, that will be divided into A plus B. Okay, for the decomposition any cause can be there, like heating is one cause. For the heat, decompose can be happen, like CaCO3, calcium carbonate. If we give them heat, this is a sign of heat. Okay, so then CaO plus CO2 is formed due to the sunlight. Decomposition can happen. 2AgCl, then it decompose, sunlight, 2Ag plus CO2, Cl2. Okay, anything can happen. Acha, electricity is also one reason. By the electrolysis, decomposition, already you know that is decomposition of electrolysis of water. As we know that electrolysis of water, already we discussed these things. Electrolysis of water, H2O, then electric current, then it decomposes to H2 plus O2, right? So electric current is also one cause for the decomposition. Okay, acha, another one, by the heat, by heating, another one example, lead nitrate, PbNO3 whole twice. If you strongly heated it, then you get PbO plus NO2, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Okay, 2 4 6, yes, balanced. Acha, this one, how we can recognize it? By the brown fume of nitrogen dioxide. By the brown fume of nitrogen dioxide we can see. Okay, acha, metal hydroxide, as we know metal hydroxide is also decomposed sometimes, then it will decomposes into their oxides and H2O. Example is that suppose CaOH whole twice. then we get by the decomposition CH2O, like PbOH whole twice, then PbO plus H2O. These are the metal hydroxide decomposition. Okay, next one, metal carbonate and bicarbonate also decomposes. As we know, metal carbonates, that CaCO3 thermal decomposition happens here, that is CaO plus CO2. Okay, next one is CuCO3. Okay, then we get CuO plus CO2. Metal bicarbonates also there. Metal bicarbonates is also there, that is metal bicarbonates. Okay, metal bicarbonates example, that is MgHCO3 whole twice, then we get MgCO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, acha. Then metal nitrides also be decompose. Metal nitrides also decompose, like ZnNO3 whole twice, metal nitrates. Okay, zinc nitrate, that will decompose into ZnO plus NO2 plus O2. 6 4 5 6 7, then 2 ZnO 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 4 plus 2 6, then 3. Okay, oh sorry, this one is 4, then 8 plus 2 12. Done. Acha, next come to that, already completed. So decomposition reaction is completed. Next come to the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction number 3. Displacement reaction. Already we know AB plus C, then we get AC plus B. A very well known that we do, that is copper sulfate solution, blue color, copper sulfate solution. This one is the blue color. Okay, if we give into it iron nails or zinc metal, okay, then it changes to the zinc sulfate or iron sulfate with the metallic copper, and it changes the color blue color to the colorless. The solution will be changed blue color to the colorless. Then it will be an example of single displacement reaction. It will be a single displacement reaction. Another one we can say, if magnesium is reacting with the sulfuric acid. Magnesium is reacting with the sulfuric acid. Okay, then we get magnesium sulfate plus H2. This is also an example of single displacement reaction. Another one, if potassium iodide is reacting with the Cl2, okay, then we get 2KCl plus I2. halogens are replacing each other. Okay, this one is the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Next is double displacement reaction. Next is double displacement reaction. Number 4, that is double displacement reaction. Acha, double displacement reaction, here is 2 types. Okay, number 1, Roman 1, we can say that is neutralization reaction, and the second one precipitation reaction. Both the cases we know the example. Neutralization reaction, when a base is reacting with an acid, then it forms NaCl plus H2O. So then this OH part is attached with the oxygen and rest NaCl is reacting with it. Then it forms NaCl plus H2O. Okay, done. Neutralization reaction, any acid that can if that is reacting with the base, then it forms according to their respective salt and water. This one is the base, this one is acid, it forms salt and water. Okay, precipitation reaction is already we know, if silver nitrate solution is reacting with Cl, then we get AgCl and HNO3. Already this one is done in the classroom. White PPT. PPT stands for the precipitate. Okay, PPT stands for here the precipitation. AgCl, it forms. Okay, another one example, if barium chloride BaCl2 that is reacting with the H2SO4, then we get BaSO4 plus 2HCl. BaSO4 plus 2HCl. Okay, this one is the precipitation reaction. It is also get a precipitation, and white precipitation is there, white PPT. Done. Okay, practice all the examples, all the reactions. It can come to the question paper. Okay, if any doubt is there, then don't hesitate to contact with me. Okay, thank you.